Oh yes, no, I would be living
And you try any other ball, nothing, nothing.
early in the morning.
Yeah, me too.
One little jersey on, it's awesome.
Here he goes. There she goes. Oh, yes. Here in Heidelberg, South Africa.
When I moved in, I said I'm having just a few pot pots.
Oh, look at the
And look at it.
look at the pepper there. Got the pepper there. It's grapes. Let's move so the birds can come land.
Because I get home, it's sweltering hot.
But you go to work what time in the morning?
Not too bad, 7:30.
And you get there at 8, is it, or what?
Yeah.
And then you come back?
You know, sometimes I get home, I mean, depends. Usually I have to stop somewhere, whether it's a pharmacy or something.
No,
So I get home at
sure.
6.
But on
Yeah.
average, you get home at?
Yeah, between 5 and 6.
Well, you know, it's
Morning,
a long day.
guys.
I mean, when I used to work on fancy,
Morning.
you know, I went to work bloody 5 o'clock in the morning, and I came back sometimes at 7 at night.
Well, that's why I don't come. Mine's not such a long day, actually. But I love fuchsias, I really do.
There he's growing potatoes in this tub. Huge potato in there. Bonsai trees.
And that's why our stuff doesn't do so well. You really got to put the effort into it.
Oh yeah, as you can see, I've got all the it's all marked and everything. And this, yeah, this is our. I put a. See there, I put it low, and I got a timer on it just to, and I watch it a couple of days, so it sits on 24, 25, switching on and off.
Oh, really?
And I put my these little plastic trays of seeds in there.
Okay.
And I grow them in the winter so I can get them out.
Oh, wow.
And this is a Chinese cabbage. And the chilies, and I love chilies. I've got more chilies than anything else.
I love chilies too.
So I put those out there just to. That is now broccoli and cauliflower.
Ooh.
And
I saw your veggies that you said come and get.
Oh, wow.
the other thing, you know, I mean.
There's your
look at
bottle
all
brush.
that stuff.
Yeah.
Yes.
And this is a hot sauce. Now, I tell you, my little, what do you call them, cherry tomatoes grow this tall.
Yeah, I'll see if I grew one of this. I didn't know they grew so tall.
No, this tall.
Wow.
Different varieties. You get a bush and you get a tree.
Oh, is that why?
Beautiful tomatoes.
See, that's a bottle brush, no?
Yeah, I didn't know they got so big.
Yeah.
I thought they were bushes. I didn't know they were trees.
Rose geranium.
Oh, wow. Smell that. So smells good. I feel like I smell this in your house.
Look at these flowers.
Yeah, maybe I'll get a look over here.
No, especially in the early morning. when it's cool.
Yeah.
Darling, we need to take this car back.
Did you phone him?
Yes.
Did he say it's yours is ready?
Mine is ready. And
Well.
I did say 8 o'clock.
Or you could taking it back.
Okay?
Okay.
I must just check the spare wheel.
I'll come with you.
It's in the back
It's a
room.
bit difficult. I know.
Hey, bud. Look at the peppers. Lots of peppers. Look at the peppers. This is cool, man. I love this. Even down there, these are all peppers. So beautiful. This is Heidelberg, South Africa. Eileen's parents. Beautiful morning. Birds are chirping. So pretty. In the front, obviously. What are you looking for? Lizards? These dogs love to hunt lizards. Oh, look at the tomatoes. Wow. These are getting quite big down here. Love it. And the birds flew away up on the rise. Even up on the roof. Let me get my tea. It's probably going cold. I mean, warm. Cold. Hey.